Hi everyone. This bike has a problem with the shifter. I'm going to show you how you can quickly adjust the Shimano Nexus 3-speed hub gear shifter. So let's jump in. So here we can see it says Nexus on it, so it's a Shimano Nexus shifter, and on the handlebar we can see that it's a 3-gear shifter. The problem here is that on gear 1 it sometimes almost jumps to gear 2 already, and on gear 2 it definitely jumps already to gear 3, and the gear 3 is really tight. You can almost not get it up to number 3. On the shifter unit here on the rear axle we can see that there's a small yellow dot. In order to adjust the shifter we need to set it to the middle gear here, so to number 2, and then the yellow dot there should be in between those two lines. Now it's not in between the lines, and that's causing the issue. So in order to adjust it we can use this barrel roller here, but first we need to use a 10mm key to open this lug nut here. Now we should be able to turn the barrel roller. It's sometimes quite tight, so I can't move it by hand, so I need to use some pliers. Okay, now it's moving. I wasn't able to adjust it with the barrel roller to get it here in between, so sometimes the case is that this shifter unit is not sitting properly on the lug nut. So in order to take the shifter unit off, you can loosen this hex key or Allen key here, and the shifter unit will come off the lug nut. So here you can see that the shifter unit is actually having this metal piece which is pushing on a spring to control the, so this is the spring which moves, and the yellow dot is inside the shifter unit and it presses on the spring. So in my case it was a bit loose. I don't know, maybe it was somewhere like here, but it should have been all the way down to the bottom. So I can hold on the frame and press on the shifter unit to push it in place, and now tighten up the hex key. Now we should be able to use the barrel roller to adjust the yellow line and bring it in between those two white lines. Next thing I want to do is just tighten up this lug nut here so that it doesn't move out of place. And now when I pull on the shifter I can see all 3 gears are moving nicely. Even the 3rd gear is going into place. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and comment below. You can also consider subscribing, it really helps out the channel. I have some other bike repair videos which I will leave links in the description below. So thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next one.